A strong composition usually comes from tiny framing decisions most people never notice. Today, how to design visual hierarchy frames. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert one large frame for your primary image and place it slightly above center to establish focus. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting the crop carefully. Add two smaller frames nearby for supporting visuals. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Slightly increase the size of the main frame to create stronger hierarchy without overpowering the layout. Add thin line accents or subtle geometric shapes with reduced opacity to guide attention naturally. Use position tools to align everything precisely.